Parang mabigat na bakbakan to, partner.
Partner, malaki na sila.
Oo, magaling yung tattoo artist ni JM Almonte, ha? Magaling.
Ang ganda nga, partner eh.
Maganda yung tattoo artist. Magaling, magaling. Bare knuckle to, bare knuckle. Rolando D. Yan. Siyempre, yung referee natin, si Mr. Paulo Cruz.
Malalaki na to, partner. Kumpara sa kanina, lalaki na nila.
Yes, yes. Si Paulo Cruz. Nakakamukha rin ni Carlos Yulo. At incredible, si Paulo Cruz. Ako, tama lang pala yung sinabi kong Rolando D. Yan. Tama lang palang bare knuckle to. Yan. Alright, alright. Yung pads. Pag nasa 1 na tayo, nasa 1 fighting championship, doon na kayo hindi magpapads.
Wala ng pads.
Ayan nga, mapanood tayo ng 1 fighting. And again, shout out po sa lahat mga viewers sa ating friendly makbakan. Don't forget to share our live stream and visit our Facebook page also. Okay, ready?
Ngayon pa lang sila nagpe-prepare, partner.
Yes, so actually, prepare na po yung mga next bout natin, ha? Yung mga...
Ano masyado maagin?
Masyadong maaga pa. Yung mga fighter natin dito,
Red corner looks ready, partner.
yes, oo. Pwede na po si Carl Tabuco versus Franco Valdez. Nathan Hernandez versus Johan Servillon. Again, ready na? Nathan Hernandez versus Johan Servillon.
Tension is rising up, partner.
Oo.
Ito na.
Tingnan natin kung masisindak ba si Jay Manigo sa tattoo ni JM Almonte. Okay.
Wait for the bell, wait for the bell.
Wala tayong binabayaran na renta.
Round 1.
Round number 1.
Ooh. Blue corner lands in that first shot, partner.
First shot kagad to. Ginawa ni...
Ooh.
Maganda yung pressure.
What a kick.
Yung pressure binibigay ni Blue Corner. Ni JM Almonte. Pero tingnan natin kung makaka-recover kung babanat ba si Jay Manigos.
Oh. He's putting him in the corner, partner.
Yung aggression, ha?
What a shot.
Oh.
He's aiming for that body. It misses.
Kailangan din, athletic din dito yung referee kasi pwedeng matamaan anytime.
Oh.
Oh! Mabibigat ang pinakawalan dito ni JM Almonte.
Blue corner is putting in that work,
Eto na
partner.
ngayon, si Jay Manigos sumasagot. Oh!
What an exchange, partner.
Oh. Remember, this is ano ba, Muay Thai, no? Muay Thai or kickboxing?
K1, partner.
K1, okay. Oh!
Blue is putting it. Red is putting in that work.
Eto na. Standing 8. No.
Corner.
Is it a standing 8
One.
count? Okay, standing 8 count.
40 seconds left in the first round.
Standing 8 count, ginibigyan dito yung fighter ng time to recover.
Ini-ensure na okay sila.
Yes, and for the safety of both fighters.
What a
grabe.
kick!
Eto na ngayon,
That
si
kick
Jay Manigos. Pero na-counter ni JM Almonte. Pero grabe. Even yung round na to, ha?
They're giving in, partner. They're having that quick exchanges.
Yes.
Ooh.
Eto na.
Ooh.
One.
He's in the corner, partner. I'd advise him to leave the corner against a bigger opponent.
Oh.
10 seconds left in the first round.
10 seconds.
time.
And the first round.
What a round, partner.
Oo, grabe.
Grabe yung sipa ni Red Corner. Ah.
Grabe. Mabibigat. Mabibigat pareho yung mga pinakawalan nila. Akala ko si Jay Manigos, hindi sasagot. Biglang sumagot, rumagasa.
Yung referee, partner, tumatakbo, baka matamaan.
Oo. Yung referee natin, the look-alike ko, Carlos Yulo.
Yun nga iniisip ko, partner.
Isang tumbling nga dyan, rep. Oh! Carlos Yulo.
Carlos Yulo yan pa. 15 seconds left in the corner.
15 seconds. Grabe yung entertainment na binigay sa atin ng ating two-time gold medalist.
Pwede bang sumayaw next round? 5 seconds left.
5
Ready up,
seconds.
partner.
Ayun na, second round. Ayun na. Bakbakan na.
Ooh.
Nag-aambaan ang dalawang fighter. Pero grabe yung counter. Maganda, ha?
Ooh. That kick had a lot of snap, partner. Ooh.
Matitindi rin, ha? Matitindi rin yung
Ooh.
Oh.
Back and forth sila, partner. Back and forth sila. One punch exchanges. But Red Corner is
Grabe
giving
yung mga
him that
pinakawalan
work.
dito ni Jay Manigos.
Red Corner is giving Blue that work.
Oo. Medyo tumama sa buto. Masakit yun, ha? Masakit yun. Pero grabe yung punishment na binigay ni Jay Manigos, ha?
Oh!
Pero syempre, ingat siya. Ingat lang siya sa mga pinapakawalang
1 minute left.
Yes. Ingat siya sa mga pinapakawala na sipa dahil pwede tumama sa 5.
Corner. Another standing 8 count.
Yes. For the second time around.
Partner, nice push from the Red Corner, partner.
Oh, grabe yung una.
So much volume, so much pressure.
At saka detailed, ha? Detailed yung mga pinapakawalan niya.
Yes,
Hindi
partner.
bara-bara.
Combinations,
Yes.
accuracy, it's all there, partner. Oh!
Oh.
Red Corner needs to, Blue Corner needs to fight back, partner. Oh! More pressure, more volume, partner. 10 seconds left.
10 seconds, 10 seconds. In the second round, makaka-recover kaya rito.
Break.
And round number 2. Grabe ang pinakita rito ni Jay Manigos, ha?
Grabe yun, partner. Volume, accuracy, combination, pressure, lahat nandun na.
Yes. And again, this is brought to you by Lacandula Sportswear. Pwede na si Nathan Hernandez and Johan Servillo, ha? Sila na yung next bout.
Five seconds left.
Se-
3 seconds left.
seconds out, seconds out.
Seconds out.
Round 3.
Last round, last round.
Ibuhos na dyan lahat, partner.
Let's see kung makaka-recover dito si JM
Ooh.
Almonte. Ito na nga, tinitingnan natin. Whoa! What a recovery from JM Almonte.
Look at that, partner. Ang bigat.
At here comes Jay Manigos.
Oh! Ang bigat na sutok niya, partner.
Maganda yung naging instruction siguro ng corner dito ni JM Almonte. Maganda yung naging instruction, ha? Pero let's see.
Oh!
Fight daw, sabi ng ating referee na si Carlos Yulo. Yeah. Third.
That is the third count.
Third count.
Okay. Okay. 50 seconds left, partner. Ibuhos na lahat dyan.
Oh! Alam mo sa isang fighter, napakahaba ng isang round. Katumbas sa isang oras.
Cardio nga, partner.
Yes. Based on experience, napakahaba. Parang gusto mo nang tapusin yung laban. Napakahaba. Parang kala mo isang
Oh.
oras yung tinanggal ng dalawang minuto.
What a right! 25 seconds left.
25 seconds. Yung 25 seconds, 45 minutes ang katumbas niya sa pagod.
Oh! He lands that.
Hindi pa tapos si JM Almonte.
10,
10 seconds, 10
9,
seconds.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
End of the pound.
What a fight, partner.
What about? Grabe. Akala natin may isang susuko pero hindi sumuko. Susuka pero hindi susuko. Yan. Hatid sa inyo ng San Miguel Beer. Yan. Ay, yung next bout natin ha. Nathan Hernandez versus Johan Servillion. Yan. While we are waiting for our scorecards, ay napakagandang laban ho ito. Scorecards. Again, this is brought to you by Lacandula Sportswear. And the winner of this sport will be given a Lacandula
Round 4.
Sportswear. Walang round 4 ha? Walang
Walang round 4. Yung referee naman yung lalaban. Red corner. Points.
All right, we go to the scorecards. Your winner, all points, Jay Manigos. Ito na siya sabi sa'yo, hindi nagpasindak si Jay Manigos sa tattoo ni JM Almonte.
Next fight?
Nathan Hernandez versus Johan Servillion.
Lalaki na partner, lumalaki na sila.
Oh, tumatangkad.